If you want to learn how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram in 2024, you're in the right place. Broadcast channels are a great way to communicate with your followers in a more direct and engaging way. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to set one up. Let's get started. Broadcast channels on Instagram allows you to share updates, announcements, and content with your audience in a dedicated space. Here's how you can create and manage your own broadcast channel. Before you start, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Now open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now tap on the paper plane to create a new broadcast channel. Now look for a create channel button or similar option in the direct message section. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to tap on more or options. Now name your channel, enter a name for your broadcast channel that reflects its purpose or theme. Customize your channel, add a description and choose any settings for privacy or audience restrictions if available. You'll have the option to invite your followers to join the channel. You can select specific followers or share an invite link. Once your channel is set up, you can start broadcasting by sharing updates, messages, and media with your audience. Now this is how a broadcast channel will look. Now here you can manage your broadcast channel settings anytime. Go back to direct message section, select your channel, tap on the settings and make changes, adjust privacy settings or view analytics if possible. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up.